The amount of snow, sleet, and ice varies a lot during winter. Road safety in these conditions is dependent on road maintenance. With Vaisala road sensors, you get accurate and reliable road condition data to help you make the best decisions possible and optimize maintenance operations. Knowing the exact conditions is essential for taking the right action in traffic management all year round. Having atmospheric weather information is simply not enough. Standardized and comparable surface sensor data helps in providing real-time, accurate situational awareness of road weather and forecasts. Here's a look at two of these sensors and common applications. Salt is used to prevent road icing in certain conditions. Embedded directly into the pavement, the Vaisala road sensor DRS511 provides real-time data and measures a combination of the current amount of chemical applied, freezing point, and temperatures to determine whether there is enough residual salt on the road. Using this data, you can proactively apply just the right amount of salt to prevent icing for greater safety and cost efficiency, as an already icy road requires a lot more salt. Another application for DRS511 is monitoring for changes in surface and ground state, such as temperature or moisture, which indicate the development of ice or frost. Information from both the surface and 6 centimeters below ground is essential. The DRS511 also indicates cloud cover presence, and through that it determines if the surface is cooling rapidly or slowly. This gives you pinpoint accuracy on the speed of cooling, something satellite images and forecasts cannot typically provide. Being able to predict road conditions is necessary for keeping your maintenance operations efficient and cost-effective. Accurate surface state is the most valuable information about road conditions. The DSC211 uses proven laser technology to identify water, ice, slush, snow, and frost, and determine grip, even with heavy traffic. The technology provides an accurate measurement of the presence of ice crystals well before they make the road slippery. These early frost and ice warnings enable maintenance engineers to react before the road becomes hazardous for drivers. With the remote surface state sensor, there's less need to stop traffic with disruptive installations. The DSC211 can be mounted to poles, lamp columns, or overhead structures, making it an ideal solution for existing road structures with heavy traffic. Together, the seamless cooperation of the DSC211 and DRS511 provide invaluable information for all road winter maintenance users.